Alright gearheads, this is the moment we've been waiting for. The Nissan GT-R has been an icon for decades, and now, the long-anticipated Nissan GT-R R36 is on the horizon. We've had rumors, leaks, and whispers in the automotive world. But what do we really know about the 2026 Nissan GT-R R36? Will it live up to the Godzilla name? Or is it heading in an entirely new direction? Buckle up, because we're diving into all the details you need to know right now. Let's start with the visuals. The R35 has been around since 2007, with incremental updates, keeping it fresh. But the R36? Expect a radical evolution. While Nissan has been tight-lipped, insider sources suggest a blend of modern aerodynamics with nods to the past. Think sleek, aggressive lines, sharper LED lighting, and an even wider, lower stance to enhance stability. There's also talk of Nissan incorporating active aerodynamics, similar to what we see in hypercars. Adjustable wings and vents could optimize airflow for both high-speed stability and cornering grip. The front grille may take inspiration from the Vision Gran Turismo concept, hinting at a bolder and more futuristic approach. And for those who love a throwback, we may see design cues reminiscent of legendary R34 Skyline GT-R. Now, let's get into the real heart of the beast, performance. The big question: will Nissan stick with the twin-turbo V6, or are we looking at some form of electrification? Current reports indicate a hybrid powertrain, pairing an upgraded version of the 3.8 LV R38 DTT with electric motors for an extra punch. That could push the power well past 700 horsepower, making it the most powerful GT-R ever produced. The drivetrain is expected to retain Nissan's legendary Atessa EDS all-wheel drive system, but with advancements in torque vectoring and hybrid-assisted launch control. And with electric motors, expect near-instant torque delivery, giving the R36 even sharper acceleration off the line. If Nissan nails the tuning, this could be a serious contender against modern supercars. Weight reduction will also play a crucial role. Nissan might integrate more carbon fiber and aluminum to keep things light, while maintaining the structural integrity needed for high-performance driving. And let's not forget about the transmission. Could we finally see a dual-clutch system replacing the R35's long-running 6-speed automatic? That remains a mystery, but it would certainly bring shifts up to speed with today's performance benchmarks. The GT-R is more than just a car, it's a legend. Since its rise in the late 80s, the GT-R has dominated racetracks, illegal street racing scenes, and pop culture. From winning the Bathurst 1000 to stealing the show in Fast and Furious, the GT-R has solidified its place in automotive history. With the R36, Nissan isn't just launching another car, they're reviving an icon for a new generation. It's going to have the impossible task of satisfying die-hard purists, while attracting modern performance enthusiasts. Will it succeed? That depends on how well Nissan balances nostalgia with innovation. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the upcoming R36? Do you think Nissan will keep it true to its roots? Or is this going to be a completely new breed of GT-R? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love deep dives into upcoming cars and redesigns, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Torque Update. See you in the next one.